Today, I'm gonna show you your budget-friendly beef bulgogi at home using ground beef. It will taste just as good as your expensive ribeye bulgogi slices. And I'm gonna show you how to make this bulgogi oju that you could add to Korean rice and eat it together. You know what? Thrifty ground beef bulgogi is coming to you today. 오늘의 레시피, 가른 소고기로 맛있는 불고기 만들기. 오늘도 여러분들과 영어로 함께 하겠습니다. If I could feed you, I would, okay? Hi everyone, this is Helen and welcome to Modern Pepper. 안녕하세요, Modern Pepper의 헬렌입니다. Set your heat to high and preheat your frying pan for a good minute to 2 minutes. So today we're going to be using 2 pounds of 85%, 15% lean ground beef. To your preheated frying pan, we're going to add the 2 pounds of the ground beef. And we're just going to cook this about halfway. So make sure to flatten the ground beef like this. And turn down your heat to medium. And we're gonna brown this about halfway. At this point, you just wanna flip it. And we'll cook this for another 2-3 minutes on medium heat.
And for my vegan friends, you can follow the same recipe using your favorite choice of your plant-based beef.
So this isn't cooked all the way, it's cooked like halfway right now, but we're gonna pour this and drain off all this excess fat that you do not want to put in your body. So I have a piece of paper towel over a strainer, metal strainer, and we're just gonna strain this. So you can see there's a lot of fat already draining. So we're just gonna let this drain and get the rest of our ingredients going. So we have half of a large onion that we're gonna slice. And we're gonna put our onions here on our plate. Our ground beef has cooled down somewhat. We're gonna place them all on the cutting board. And look, I just wanna show you how much fat we drained off. This is on 2 pieces of paper towel, and look, all that fat, okay? So this is not going into your body, thank goodness. We're gonna roughly chop up our half-cooked beef because they're all kind of stuck together, so we're just kind of break it up. Notice how we only cooked it halfway, and that's exactly what we want. And we're gonna add our seasoning later to season it more. Roughly chop it up like this, okay? Now this is ready. So this is the frying pan where we fry the ground beef. I'm just gonna take a wet paper towel and just wipe it just a little bit. A little bit of oil left is fine. Turn your heat on, make sure to preheat for about a minute or 2. And we're just gonna add a little bit of olive oil or your favorite oil, less than 1 tablespoon. And to this, we're gonna add the half large onion that we sliced earlier. And to this, we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. We're gonna add 1 pinch of salt and some freshly ground black pepper, less than 1/4 teaspoon. And then just quickly move it around. And we just wanna lightly just sweat it. We don't wanna really brown this too much. Your heat remains at high. From here, we're gonna add 2 cups of water. So go around and kind of take off the yummy meat brown stains on the side of our pan. That's just gonna add lots of flavor to our bulgogi sauce. And then we're gonna add 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of soy sauce. All-purpose soy sauce is fine. And 1/4 cup of Mirin, that's Korean cooking wine. And then just mix it well. Okay, so this is sogogi Dashida. This is Korean beef bouillon powder. I'm gonna add half a tablespoon. If you don't want to add this, don't add it. But you want to make it taste like how it tastes at restaurants, you want to use it. This is the ground beef that we chopped up earlier. We're going to just put it in here. Again, your heat still remains at high. And then you just want to mix it. Let all this delicious liquid soak into our ground beef. and it's gonna be such a good ground beef bulgogi. Your friends will thank you. We're just gonna let this simmer for 2 minutes. So I just wanna show you right now, there's a lot of this liquid. We're gonna reduce this. But as of now, it's still good too. It's been 2 minutes about, and this is done. So we're just gonna add a little bit of sesame oil, less than half a tablespoon, and then we're just gonna turn the heat off, and this is done. Ooh. So it's important to taste right now, okay? Oh, it smells so good. The ground beef tastes just like the expensive bulgogi beef that you get at the restaurant. And this liquid, this broth or sogogi, ooh, that with some rice mixed in, you're gonna thank me. Now, if you like it saltier at this point, add more salt. If it's too salty for you, add a little bit of hot water to kind of tone it down a little bit. But right now, this is perfect the way I like it. So adjust it to your preference. And then immediately transfer it to a big bowl. OMG, look at that. And to this, we're gonna just garnish with some fresh scallions and then just a little bit of sesame seeds on top for garnishing. That's it, folks. That's it. So the simplest way to enjoy this is just get a spoonful with this delicious bulgogi sogogi, and you put it over your warm Korean rice, and you get a spoonful, and that's it. This will take you to food heaven instantly. And if you happen to have kimchi at home, I mean, together, this is like all you need in life, I think. Bulgogi rice and kimchi, what more can you ask for in life? That's what I say. If I could feed you, I would, okay? Bon appetito. This is another big bite. I always make big bites, I don't know why. Well, somebody has to eat it, so I will. The ground beef has a little bit of a chewy bite, but it's seasoned so well with our bulgogi seasoning. And then the bulgogi sogogi, oof, with the onions, took it to another level. And another favorite way to eat is get a piece of lettuce, snap the root end off, and just put a little bit of Korean rice. And then just a little bit of the bulgogi with the onion. If you have some at home, a little bit of gochujang like that. So you want to wrap it up so it fits right into your mouth. Jan! When we make our tangchusam lettuce wraps, we make it one bite size. This is not a taco. This is definitely not a burrito. I've seen some non-Korean friends, they would lay out like 2 large pieces of lettuce and stuff it and roll it like they're making a burrito at home. If you want to eat it that way, go ahead. There's no food police. By all means, enjoy it the way you like it. But Korean people, we make it bite-sized. So here we go. When you eat lettuce wrap in front of people, it's okay to kind of cover your mouth. Wow, that was like a party in my mouth. So simple. You can make this and your guests, your friends, and your family will like literally kiss you. So you take the credit and make this at home. I want to thank everyone for watching today, and if you enjoyed watching today's video, I would greatly appreciate it if you would click on that thumbs up icon, because doing that does wonders for my channel, and I appreciate your support in every way. And if you did not subscribe yet, make sure to subscribe. 여러분 오늘 재밌게 보셨으면 꼭 좋아하는 버튼 눌러주세요. 구독 버튼도 눌러주시고요. 다음 비디오에서 뵙겠습니다. Alright folks, I will see you in one of the videos you see right here.